thermostats and fire alarms and coffee machines and so on and so forth. Every one of them is going to have some form of rich compute architecture over time. And all of those, that rich compute architecture, much in the same way that you have system on a chip and other embedded devices today, are likely going to have GPUs. And the people who understand how to make low power, low cost GPUs that can appear there are going to get 10, 100, 1,000 times as many deployments out there. And so, sure, if you're selling at 100 times, or 1/100th the cost, but you're selling 1,000 more of them, that's a huge win. Each of those compute devices is producing data, has a job you need to run on it, has monitoring you need to do on it, has all kinds of distributed data warehousing and other things like that I'd like to understand. Our platform, Expanso, is an agent that can run in all those locations, even over poor networking, even over unreliable networking or other challenging situations. We run extremely lightweight and low power, and so you can treat all of those devices as though they were sitting inside your single data center. And you could say, hey, you know what? I know I have 400,000, temperature sensors out there. I want to do a query across all of them, and I want that query to complete in, 3 days, right? Whatever it might be, and we can give you that capability. And that means you don't have to, always be uploading that raw data into the cloud, which oftentimes is very expensive and very unreliable.
Just lastly, what are you seeing here at Cloud Native Rejects?
I will say I've been coming to Cloud Native Rejects since the very first. The level of quality of folks has been really, really interesting. One thing that's very interesting to me is certainly you see a lot of people interested in Gen AI broadly, but what you see here is a real touchstone that it's very well grounded in how do we use it and where is it valuable and those kind of things. So you see momentum around a lot of interesting things, but it's also I see value in they're really in the application of it rather than just in the theory.
Thanks, David.
Of course.